Hello guys, I'm Adriana and today with the help of Leonardo we are going to work with this iPhone 11 Pro that it stacks on the logo. This is the latest per case, a laboratory power supply dedicated exclusively to the repair of mobile devices and laptops. It seems to have 8 functions, we'll check it out. I'm going to try to put the purchase link in the video description. The shipping from China to Spain, it took 12 days. We can observe that our device charges perfectly, but it stacks on the Apple logo. Here I increase the camera speed by 6 and it turns out that the device doesn't pass from the Apple logo. Recently we are repairing a lot of devices with this failure and the solution is very simple. First we have to remove the 2 screws from the bottom part. Then, with the help of the hot air gun or a hairdryer at home, we apply heat to the screen to soften the adhesive. Using a pick guitar, we cut the adhesive and we remove the screen. Here below we have the battery connector. We remove the 2 screws and we remove the metal sheet. Before touching any connector on the motherboard, we have to remove the battery connector. Then we remove the 6 screws and we remove the other protector. One of the reasons that our device is stuck on Apple logo is the false contact of one of the connectors on the motherboard. So we have to disconnect all the connectors and to mount only the screen. In this way we'll know if the failure is with the connectors or with the motherboard. Now we connect the screen connectors and we turn on the device. Our iPhone 11 Pro turns on perfectly. We'll do some quick checks. Here we can observe that the device charges at 2 amperes, which is a good charge for this model. Now we are going to remove the battery and to connect all the connectors to the motherboard. These failures are due to small blows where some connector is in a false contact, then the iPhone does not pass from the Apple logo. In other occasions, the problem may be in the motherboard, precisely in the joint of the two motherboards. On our YouTube channel you can find many videos about this subject. Guys, this was today's video. We hope you like it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.